Hey guys, in my garage here. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a how-to video on the rear brakes of my 1984 4x4 Toyota pickup right here. And you might notice it doesn't look like a normal 1984 Toyota pickup. And that's because this one is actually the extra cab model. So anyway, the first thing you want to do, I've already taken the drum off, the tire or wheel and drum. And if you don't know how to do that, you probably shouldn't be attempting your brakes. But the first step was for me to take these springs off. Right now I need to take off these because they're holding this shoe from coming out. So I have a little trick for that. And you do the other side the same way. Now with the springs unhooked and the little retention rod pulled apart, you can take this right off of there, and inside there it's hanging on by this cable, which is that's for your parking brake. It just kind of slides in here, so to take it out you just do that again. You can start pulling all this apart, and then you'll have a pile of parts on the floor and you have to replace them with new parts. But because there's a lot of holes in this and a lot of springs that all look the same, the next step is pretty important here. You're going to want to go to YouTube and find a how-to video. And if you're lucky, you'll find a video that's useful. So if you're watching this, I'm sorry, you might need to find another video because I don't know what I'm doing here. And then follow the steps in that video. Should end up looking sort of like this, but maybe with a couple extra parts in there for the park brake. But I didn't want that, so I got rid of it. And I might as well add a little bit of educational content to the video since the rest of it's pretty much pointless. If you want to put a new wheel cylinder in there, if you pull the bleeder valve completely out of here, you can actually get this in place without pulling your axle, which saves you a bit of work. So there's that. And one other piece of advice, if you're going to be doing brakes, do one side at a time. That way you at least have the other side to look at for reference. Anyway, thanks for watching.